which is called The Watchword of Labour. And this brings to us the workers' rights, labour element of the whole thing. So this was their kind of, what would you call it, anthem, written by James Connolly. And I think it just gives us a unique insight as to where he was coming from. Oh, hear ye the watchword of labour, the slogan of those who'd be free, that no more to any enslaver must labour bend suppliant knee, that we on whose shoulders are borne the pomp and the pride of the great, whose toil they repay with their scorn, must challenge and master our fate. Then send it aloft on the breeze, boys, the watchword the grandest we've known, that labour must rise from its knees, boys, and claim the broad earth as its own.